Hello, Daniel and John here, and welcome back to another one of our product review videos. And we're going to be looking at a glass cleaning product, and it's made by a company called Stoner, and it's their invisible glass cleaner, and it promises superior cleaning power, and it is also tint safe. So if you've got a car, then it'll be fine for that. Streak-free guarantee. So we're going to test it on a glass mirror in a living room and show you the results. If you're thinking about buying it, then
so this was £7 something, and I thought,
yeah,
I'll give that a go.
If you think about buying it, then obviously
So
we hope this video is helpful to you.
it's got a cross there which says off, and it's got a spray pan.
So what we'll do is we'll apply it with one cloth and buff it off with the next.
Yeah.
Giving it a good shake.
Okay, so it seems to go a long way for what it is, if you know what I mean.
So what sort of smells it got to it?
Quite a pleasant smell.
It's almost like a
marzipan-y.
a polishy type. It has a polishy type thing with it beading off.
Yeah, it doesn't. Be interesting. Okay. So I'm just using one cloth at the moment. I've probably put too much on.
Yeah, but we'll give
for those first time using it like us, it comes out quite a lot. It says this is ideal for using in vehicles as well.
Yeah, it says on the side for the tint, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it's safe if you've got tinted windows in your car. It's safe for that. Obviously,
Right,
the new
so
ones.
I'm still using the same cloth. I haven't.
Oh wow! So normally with glass cleaner, what you have to do is you have to apply it with one, and then buff it off with another. But this one here, it seems to be just a single cloth, which is actually pretty neat because that'll save you time, and it has got a streak-free finish. I mean, I'm shooting. I'm looking directly at a mirror here, and I don't know if you can tell on the camera you're watching this, but it's like I'm looking. Looking at you there, and then
the only downside of this video is the face in the mirror.
Yeah. So this is you here, and we're looking at you through the mirror, but I don't know if you'd be able to tell.
That is like having a twin.
Yeah. It's two of you.
No, that is.
As if one wasn't enough. There's two of you now. That's a good product, isn't it? That.
I mean, it makes. You know when you look at something, it makes you feel a bit dizzy. It's that clear.
Yeah, that is super clear.
That.
Well impressed with that.
My friends.
I don't think we'd use any other glass cleaner, would we?
And normally that's for the streaks.
Normally you have it hazy with the cheaper stuff, don't you?
Yeah. That is worth. Seems a lot more, but if you're wise, I think what I would do next time. In fact, let me try this now. I'll probably do that. Put it on a cloth. And wipe the mirror with it rather than spraying it on it. So put it on the cloth.
I think it depends how bad your glass is really, but like obviously now it's clean, that would be alright, and if you clean often then it's not a problem, but it's just super clear.
I would just spray it on the cloth. I wouldn't spray it out the bottle. And you literally need nothing.
I mean, it's just so clear. So if you're thinking about buying this product, then we would, I'd give that 10 out of 10.
I'd give it 10 plus.
That's
probably
really,
the best
really
products
good.
we've used.
And we do use a lot of products, and we have done a lot of things in life. So, you know, like in a car, for example, if you're cleaning the glass in the car, that would save you so much time.
Without turning the camera around, what do you think as a cleaner?
It's really good.
Yeah, it's really good stuff. Yeah.
No rubbing for ages.
Yeah.
Easy to use.
Yeah.
And a little bit goes a long way.
Yeah. So just squirt a fraction on your cloth and wipe over. It says avoid paper towels.
Because you get pieces coming off, sort of spoil the finish.
Excellent.
Yeah. I mean, I can't see. I mean, you literally would have the cleanest windscreen in the neighbourhood, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, they'd even use this outside.
Right, okay,
let's
wrap the video up. Right, so if you're thinking about buying this product, we hope this video review is helpful to you.
Yeah, thanks very much.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.